Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Jamie from the blog LuxPetite, and today we have spring favorites. So in this video, I really wanted to feature all the items that I've been really obsessing about for this season. Chicago's only had spring for the last couple weeks, but since then I did have a few items that I've been using time and again. So let's get right into it. I'm going to start with my favorite lip product right now. Tom Ford Lip Lacquer. It's in this beautiful neutral pink shade. It's like the perfect nude, and I'm actually wearing it right now. And the color is 01 Insinuate. I love this color. It's just the great type of coverage that still lasts you pretty much the whole day. I would wear this in the morning for my work meetings, and then I didn't have to reapply until pretty much the end of the day. So for me, if you're looking for a perfect nude, you might want to check this guy out. So my next item is a beauty favorite. It's the NARS Tinted Moisturizer. This guy has an SPF of 30, and I really love how it's got that lightweight coverage. It's definitely a change up from the heavier full coverage foundations that I was using more in the winter and fall months. And I just find they have a lot of different colors, and it has a beautiful, almost like dewy finish. And my skin tone is more that golden, light golden color. It does tend to have that yellow undertone. So for that, the medium one from NARS is the perfect blend for my skin tone. And to round out the beauty favorites is the Orbe Dry Texturizing Spray. I love that you can have a couple different uses for the spray, whether you want to texturize your hair, give it some volume, use it like a dry shampoo, and best of all, it has this heavenly scent. And for me, it's the perfect way to add a little bit of pickup for my hair, especially I don't shampoo my hair every day, so it's a great little styling aid. Okay, we have to talk about handbags if we're going to talk about spring obsessions, and of course it's going to be my bucket bag. It's been all the rage for me. This is my first designer bucket bag, and I am obsessed. I love the color. I love that Fendi makes exceptional leather, and to me it's so cute. It was the perfect bag when I took my Sonoma adventure. So now a couple fashion favorites. I've been obsessed with stripes. So this top is from Nordstrom, and I love the whole blue and white. It's very spring and summer to me, and I love the button front detail. And just stripes are just another great alternative to some of your basics in your wardrobe. My next fashion favorite is tie-waisted anything. I love this pair from BP. I'm just obsessed with how comfortable they are, and you can buy these at Nordstrom's. But they give you so many different options in terms of working with your wardrobe, in terms of your top, and they're comfortable and they're classy in terms of you can wear these to office. I certainly did. Paired it with a biker jacket, believe it or not, and I thought it was fab. So my last fashion favorite is this white blazer from Nordstrom's. This is from the brand Topshop. I love how it gives you a couple different options in terms of what you wear underneath. You can keep it casual or more dressed up with the blouse. This button detail is so great and cute. But it's definitely, when you think of summer and spring, I love anything with white blazers. Okay, so now we're down to the very last spring favorite obsession, and it's the Chanel 19S collection. And with that, my friends, we have an unboxing. So here I recently got this guy, and you can tell probably from the box it is an SLG. So for me, this collection, so cute, and it's another compliment to the walk that I recently purchased. And this one, it's this cute little card holder in the beautiful matte pink. I love the light gold hardware with it, and I really could not resist this color. I'm not a big pink person, so for me the SLG was the perfect way to go on this wallet. So I love it. So Yeah, so between this color and the iridescent, those are my favorites from the collection, but honestly, the whole collection is amazing. So if you haven't checked out their latest collection, I would highly suggest go to the store, check it out online. There's a ton of stuff on Instagram too. And okay guys, well that's it for my spring favorites and unboxing. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and please subscribe. I'd love to have you back for another great video. And with that, I will talk to you guys later. Take care.